Michael from Nautek.
John, how are you, mate?
Bloody good,
Yeah.
bloody good. What do you think about your little project?
Oh, I love a project, mate.
You do, don't
I've done a
We
few.
have done a few, and here we go again.
This one's clean. It's a nice change. You don't have to rebuild the whole back end.
Exactly. It is a big change.
It's good. That's good. I love it. It's coming nice too.
But you know what? It is a change because it's aluminium, but that presents its whole new set of interesting ideas when it comes to fitting out particularly electronics.
Yeah, the aluminium's great in so many ways, but there's a whole lot of inherent issues with chassis and groundings, and a lot of guys have a mate rock up who's an auto elect and he uses a car stereo in it, and all your paint starts bubbling off in a hurry and no one knows why.
Sorry to all the auto elects out there, but that's okay.
Oops, it doesn't matter.
But yeah, there's all sorts of charges and different metals and all sorts of problems that we see with aluminium, and particularly sealing between components as well with different metals.
Yeah, definitely. I mean, I'm a throwback from the aviation days. Airplanes are all aluminium.
Yep.
So there's a whole larger understanding of like the rivets that you use, using the compounds in between your stainless steel hardware and so on. All the metals need either line up or be bonded together nicely.
Yep, and it throws in a separate component though, because you've got salt water, which is a great conductor. Yes,
definitely.
I like that.
That's beautiful. Big word for a band.
What's for me, wasn't it? We used to have them on trams.
What's a tram?
Exactly.
Yeah, so yeah, you're right. There's a lot to go in it from that point of view. Awareness from not only just electrical fit up, but mounting things comes along the way. If a boat's going to be in the water permanently, or if it's going to be on a trailer, it totally changes the dynamic of what you're doing about it.
Yeah, absolutely, no doubt. Mate, we've got a big pile of gear. We've got a lot. We've got spotlights, we've got bilge pumps, we've got all sorts of bits and pieces going in here.
Yep. When you start working with this amount of bits and bobs, you can't just go start throwing them. You've got to do a plan. You've got to understand the current draw. LED lights changes the game a lot because you use a tenth of the power that other things would, so you use a tenth of the wire size. No, not the case, but you can reduce your loom sizes, increases obviously the space when you're running through cables and conduits, what's going to be on all the time, what needs to be on some of the time, so get a
But then going the opposite way, big power drawers with electric winches and things like that too.
Yeah. And having that on the same battery as other bits and pieces, so you don't have a separate battery for it, or hit the winch and all your lights go dim.
Yeah.
Engine
shuts
a bit.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So these are all things that need to take into play, and not starving the big items, but not over coppering up the smaller items.
So we're going to a full battery management system here, so hopefully we'll never run out of battery power.
Yeah, look, I saw in the boat it had the old T-bar toggle.
Yeah.
That was fine in the 80s.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, but these days, the electronics are going to protect them, so we need to have something which is going to charge both batteries, but when you're a bit of a snooze, you're going to be night fishing on the boat, you don't flatten all your batteries, you can't get home and start the engine, so we use a VSR pack. Voltage sensitive relay, that stands for. Has a switch for each battery, and the O-sheet switch, the joins them all together.
Yep, okay, good, no worries. Because it is different now. Once upon a time with a carburetor motor, if it was small enough, you'd get out and rope started if you had to. Not with EFI, no, not at all.
All electronics, mate, all the way. It's got to protect it all, for sure.
All right, so you've got a big project ahead of you?
It's not too big, it's just going to be a bit of a time slot.
Well, it's a big project in a little boat.
Yeah, it is. There's a lot of toys over there we've got to put in. And look, I think it's going to be a nice complete, have everything boat.
Yep.
No shortage of light, no shortage of power, everything you need. So look, making it easy.
Good stuff.
That's what it's all about.
Way to go. All right. Well, we'll keep you updated on the progress through Spooled Magazine.
Can't wait. Let's get it done.